diamonds, all type of lights. I got all type of bitches, all type of bodies. We got all types of sticks, we don't do no fights. We a god to a kid, can't tell mice. I got 100 buns, baby.
Still early in the morning. I'm going to take a trade. I'm trying to scalp today with my PC. I'm gonna take some scalp trades because I think I saw one already, but for now I'm going to KFC to get something to eat early in the morning. With that being said, if you want free signals for 3 months to 12 months, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below, and I'll tell you what to do to get that. Also, make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members. I know we'll get that before the end of 2024. And yeah, let me drink some water because my mouth is kind of dry. In the World program, I'm sure you've already been seeing like flashes of profit somewhere around here. People have been making withdrawals. People who started the day that I opened it up, they've already made 100% return on their investment, and at this point in time they are already making withdrawals in profit. Okay, so if you want to join the passive income program, the World program, message me Wealth on Telegram, link in the description below, and yeah, I'll add you to the group. You can start with as little as $90, okay, and you'll be making 3 to 170 to 200, even to up to 1,000 a day just from your phone. You can do it on your phone. I've already done it this morning. I've already made about $200 in it already. And yeah, you can do it on your PC. It takes 5 to 30 minutes. Use it to make some profits, get your mind clear so you're not desperate while trying to take a trade in the market. And yeah, it helps with your psychology. With that being said, like I said, message me Wealth on Telegram to learn how to join that group. By now, if you had started, you would be making profits. You would have withdrawn all your investments risk-free, and you'll be making profits for the next 2 months risk-free. Okay, withdrawing every day you want. In the group, we withdraw multiple times a week. We withdraw consistently, and people have been making thousands already. It's your choice. You can make $3 to almost 1,000 or even more than 1,000. There are ways, and there are also ways in the group that I explained where you can make $35 weekly passively to $15,000 a week passively. However, you have to put in the work and do a lot of things. It's not just free money. Anyways, like, share, and subscribe, and let's see what the market has for us today as we get into the market. Let me just make one more move as I'm on my way to KFC right now. Very nice, guys. All right, guys, we'll be back on the charts when we are taking a trade and we have a trade in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment and click the notification. Subscribe and click all notification bells on. And yeah, I always reply to every single comment. Stay subscribed so that you can watch the shorts live streams that I do on Mondays and Tuesdays for free signals and analysis. And in the VIP Telegram group, we try to draw signals and analysis every day that we find something. Okay, yeah, we'll be right back on the chart. So like, share, subscribe, and click all the notification bells. All right, so I'm at KFC right now, still with my PC, taking a trade. So I'm on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm gonna changing it to the 5 minutes time frame right now. And yeah, we just have to wait a bit while it loads. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bells below. This page is still loading. Give it some time. Yeah, this is how MT4 is sometimes. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells. Let me see what's going on, and click all notifications. The market is still pushing down a bit. Let me just zoom out. You can see where, okay, yeah, you can see where the system B trade is. Let me increase this to 40 lot size, and yeah, take a buy. So let me set my take profits up there, because there's a system B trade up there, but down here is like the profits that is closer. But let me set the take profit up here because we have NFP coming, and yeah, say take profit set, so that should give me about $3,000 if I hit the take profit. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set an alert, so when it gets close to my first take profit, I'll take some profits from the market and then leave the rest to run. Okay, so when we're back, we'll see how the market plays out. If you have any questions, message me on Telegram, link in description below. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, and if you want to join the passive income program, message me Wealth on Telegram, link in description below. So you look at the account history. We've made a lot of good profits. The biggest profit I had on my account was $1,000. We've had some hedge. I had to hedge out a $1,000 loss, and yeah, we had another big $1,000 trade also that gave us even more than $1,000 and $70, $1,170 in one scalp trade. Like I said, during the summer slow periods, I'm just gonna be taking system B trades, long-term scalp trades. Okay, once we're back into the winter period and we have more volume in the market, then I'll be taking system A trades, like which I started the account with. Like it's small profits. You can take like 5, 15, 30 in a day even. So for a couple pips, okay, short them, quick and fast. With that being said, like I said, hedging is a way that I've been able to compound my account very quickly, very easy, and yeah, it's been my secret weapon from growing my account. If you want to learn that, you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You also get the software free that tells you the market direction, where to enter, where to buy, where to sell. It gives you alerts. It tells you the market trend, long-term, short-term. It tells you when and where to hedge, and we're doing proper hedging, not martingale 2, 4, 8, 16, 30. That's just going to blow your account. You know how to hedge properly without increasing your lot sizes all the time, and when and where to hedge, because the markets may go up, but eventually it's still a long-term downtrend, and you would have just messed up taking a buy, and then the market goes against you. So I'll do that all live with you, scalping, hedging, everything. I'll share my screen on Zoom, and even if you want to meet me in person, that can be done. I'll trade live in front of you and teach you. With that being said, we'll be right back. Let's see what happens in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe with NFP News.
Bars too, 38 special, that special K got lots of cars too. Special out my drip.
All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, I went for a while, came back with NFP, and the market had already hit my take profit. I didn't even take the first take profit. It just went straight to take profits. I gave this analysis for free, and it has been playing out. As you can see, over $3,000 in one trade. Like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells, and click all the notification bells. Take profits. Yes, I'm gonna withdraw this soon. So we started this account with 10,000. We've made just over 10,000. So we've made 100% profit. This is how fast you can be making profits with system B. 1 or 2 scalp trades a day, big scalp trades a day. And if it goes bad for you, you hedge it out. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I always reply to every single comment. Make sure to join the free Telegram group. If you want passive income, message me Wealth on Telegram, and yeah, link in the description below. And also, if you want 3 months to 12 months free signal, message me Trow on Telegram. We'll be right back when we have another trade in the market. Hope you guys had a nice NFP week and made some profits too. And as usual, I'll try to draw a free signal analysis on Monday or Tuesday again during New York session. See you guys soon.